Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Shajidul Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel, Joyful English. Friends, I hope and pray to Almighty that you are all well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well by your praying and by the blessings of Almighty who is compassionate, most merciful. Friends, you have already understand to watch the thumbnail of my video, the topics today. Friends, actually we all want to learn speaking English fluently and it is our long cherished dream. And someone also trying to practice to improve his or her fluency. Actually, the learning of anything depends on practice. And we also trying to practice to learn and to improve our fluency as we can. But to learn and to improve our fluency and speaking English depends on our eagerness, our interest, and our dreams. I have come in contact with many individuals and my students, even some teachers, educated, non-educated, many kinds of individual I have come in contact who shared their eagerness, interest to learn speaking English, but none of them are interested and ready to practice what we tell. For some days before, my younger brother told me and wrote me that, "Sir, I want to learn speaking English, but I don't know how to learn it." And another person asked me, "Their brother, I also want to learn speak English and I can some speak. But when I talk to people, then vocabulary don't come in my memory." What is the reason? That means they have expressed their worried and it depends on your individual problems. Actually, my students for 1 year before asked me, "Sir, I want to learn speaking English and it's my long cherished dream. I want to learn like a native and I'm also trying to practice." Then I asked him that, "How you are practicing?" He told me that, "Sir, I'm learning English grammar again and again." I smiled and told him that though you are practicing English grammar to improve your speaking, actually it is not the right way. I'm not telling you that grammar does not reach. Grammar must needs. But grammar can beautify your sentences. Purify your sentences. But grammar is not only the one way to improve your fluency. Then he asked me, "Sir, how I can improve my fluency?" I then suggested him that actually you have to practice what you can. Then he told that, "Sir, I can practice." I answered that, "Brother, I also can't practice. আমিও speaking করতে পারি না, but I'm practicing. I have been practicing in my school life, and I'm carrying on my practice till now. So, if you want to improve your fluency like a native, you have to practice. But there is a question that how we apply our practicing. That there are many ways to practice, but actually it's depend on our time schedule. If you are a businessman and you have not enough time to practice, I can share you my personal experience that if you don't have enough time, when you sit alone, try to listen audiobooks. It is very helpful for improve your fluency, not only fluency but also speaking, because those have a great correction. Okay, and but you have to constantly carry on your practice. You are just listening 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days, and you have completely stopped your listening, it would not be helpful for you. Then you will lose your energy, you will lose your eagerness. So, first I have to ask myself that actually I really want to improve and learn to speak English. If I naturally want to improve my fluency and speaking English better, I have to mentally ask myself, I have to mentally prepare that actually I have to learn at any cost. That means it's come to from mental energy. Okay, let's sharing my personal experience. When I was a student of my school life, I saw my uncle, whose name is Arafat. I told you my previous videos that he was speaking very well. Then it was my thinking that if I can speak like him, that means to see is speaking already a natural energy, natural attraction has come to my mind. Then I thought that I have also learned to speak English. And in 1999, when I was coming from India, at the train, some students of maybe the students of Aligarh University, they are all Islamic livers, white Islamic livers. They are talking among them in English very well. Actually, I was looking to them at a glance and I asked myself that if I can speak like them, I would be very happy. To see those kinds of scenario, those kinds of environment, actually a natural attraction has come to my mind. Then, after getting admission in school, I bought an English newspaper, Daily Star. Though I had not any kind of ability to read a single line of the newspaper, but I naturally had a confidence that I can do it. However, I started my reading, though I did not understand a single word, but I was started my practice, and from there till now I have been practicing again and again, though my speaking is not well, Thus, I'm making video. My study topics of my video was that why I am making video in English language. If you are a talented personality, if you are intelligent, you have already understand what I want to say. My yesterday video. Actually, the making of my video in English just to encourage you and me and to carry on my practice. If I want, I can make video in Bengali language, but though it would be helpful for you to understand my speech, but it would not be helpful for me because I have not any kind of environment to carry on my practice. So I have chosen to make video in English language to carry on my practice, because I believe that if I make video 1.5 hours every day, inshallah, my fluency will be improved day by day. That is the major reason of my making video in English language. So, hi my friend, nobody can tell that he can speak English very perfectly. Actually, our speaking may have some mistakes. It is not a problem because we know that it is not our mother tongue. It's a foreign language, so it's a very simple, easy, and common fact to make mistakes. But after making mistakes more and more again and again, why we will already find out, understand our problems, that why where I have been made mistakes. But if I don't practice, if I don't carry on my practice, but I'm trying to learn speak English, I watch my dream, watch a dream, or I dreams to sleep that I will learn to speak English, but I'm not practicing. I will not be understand. I will not. That means I can't speak English. That means I can improve my fluency. So, if you want to improve your fluency, you have to practice. But now I am going to tell you that how we will start our practice. That means what kind of strategy that can improve very easily and fastly to improve our fluency. First, I have to listen. That I told my previous videos. I have to carry on my listening. Believe me, listening. Please listen more and more. 1 hour, 2 hours if you can. Even if you have enough time, listen more and more. When you sleep, listen. When you talk, listen. That means you have to carry on your listening more and more, again and again, every day. To listen every day, believe me, your speaking, your listening will be improved undoubtedly, because your listening will show you the right way to speak English. What I have benefited that, because it has a great connection between speaking and listening. When I listen, when I watch any English programs, news, debate, such kind of English programs, then we face some problems, some vocabularies that we can't understand. I also still face some problems to translate from English to Bengali or Bengali to English. But I am not worried. Why I'm not worried? Actually, I'm not worried because I know that the problem, the more face I problem, okay, the more I face some problem, the more will be solved my such kinds of problems. Okay, so I have to carry on my listening constantly. If you practice to listen constantly at a time 6 months, I can give you 1000% surety that your speaking fluency and your listen will be improved undoubtedly. But here is some a word to you that please, when you listen, try to speak when you listen any audio. Okay. And my second tips is that when you uh, listen any audio book, try to uh, uh, put your finger to the book line by line. When then it would be help you two ways. One, you are listening deeply, and second, you are to put your finger to the audiobook, you are being introduced every word of the book. Okay, it is very important to improve your fluency, and it is very helpful. Number one, your listening is being improved. Number two, you are being introduced every word of the line, and number three, you are being encouraged. Okay, you just apply this strategy, your speaking will be improved. That helped me very well. Okay, number three, try to participate English debate. Though I have not participated any debate yet, but I have a target to participate to any kinds of debate, because when I participate any English debate, I don't need to win. When I participate any debate in our from home and abroad, then I will already understand that how I have learned English speaking. That means I can wait myself. But I am talking alone in home, making video, but I have not participate in home and abroad, দেশে এবং দেশের বাইরে, then I will not understand the my fluency. How I have learned my fluency, how it has been improved. Okay, so you don't need to will to participate in English programs from home and abroad. Please participate to wait, to introduce, and to improve your extra fluency, so that you can introduce yourself that why you have what kind of problem. That means you need to improve yourself. If you don't, if we, not you, we don't participate English debates in home and abroad, we will not understand the depth of our speaking fluency. So I'm requesting all of you, if you want to improve your fluency, you must need to participate English programs in home and abroad, which is very helpful to improve our fluency. Number 4, speak English before the mirror. Okay, because I'm making video, I'm talking to my video, I'm already understand that my physical attitude, what actually physical attitude is very important. I'm talking very smartly in English, my physical attitude is not positive. Actually, I will not be allowed as a smart person. So it is very important to, if you carry on your practice before the mirror, your physical attitude, your mouth, that means you will already understand your physical negative and positive attitude. Then you will correct yourself that where I am making mistakes. It's very helpful for us. So number one, we have to practice. And how we'll practice? We have to listen, speaking in our real life, that I told once again my all videos that practice is the key of speaking English better. Listening first, after listening again and again, more and more, our fluency will be improved. That I told you. Audiobook listening, I have to carry on to listen audiobook, but when we get free time, we have to try to read the book, to listen, putting our finger on the book, that it would be help for us to introduce every single word of the line of the book. So you must keep in mind that it is the best, unique and secret strategy to improve our fluency. Number three, we have to participate many English programs in home and abroad to whet ourselves, that means to whet our fluency. Without participating in debate in home and abroad, physical and internet, by physical and internet, we will not understand our fluency. Number four, we have to practice before the mirror, which is very helpful to improve our attitude, and we will be able to understand our physical attitude and our speaking, that we can watch that where I am making mistakes. However, friends, I have told too much, because speaking English depends on our mental energy, and if we think that we have to learn and improve our speaking, our efficiency, our skillness, we have to practice what I have told you. And I am also suggesting you that the many intelligent, talented teachers who are making video in YouTube to suggest us to improve our fluency, you are also suggested to watch their videos to improve our speaking efficiency, fluency, that I watch those videos. Friends, if you think that my video is benefited for you, will be helpful for you, you are all requested to like, share and make your valuable comments, and subscribe and press the bell icon so that I can agree, that means I can get energy to make video more and more. And if I make any mistake, I beg a pardon to you, because I think that mistakes makes a man perfect. Actually, it is a very simple and common fact to make mistake, because mistake is the natural habituation of human being. So wishing your healthy and comfortable life. See you tomorrow with a new video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.